To log in Epic, you will open this link, and then you have to log in here. It says students login, and you have to enter the class code, which is XLI2980, and then you click go. You will see all first formers here, right? All first formers, and what you have to do is find your name and click on it. Let's see, we're going to find your name and click on it. And here, an assignment from your teacher, this is the book you have to read. So you open and you start reading the book. I like my bike. All right? If you don't see the book, when you open, you go to mailbox, that is this blue bell next to the name. You click on the name on the mailbox, and you will see the books that are assigned. Okay, so here it's I like my bike, and you open it and you continue reading. Okay, that's all. Thank you.